So we got some rare time for a personal project today, and I thought it might be fun to put my own take on a steel Chiminia. And for those that don't know, it's basically just like a smaller outdoor fire pit, and I think I can fit the entire thing onto one 4x8 sheet of material. We're using some 14 gauge, so let's see what happens. So I just got this drawn up on the computer here. Didn't take long at all, went through there into this program that's called SheetCam. This is how I add the cut paths to it. And now we're gonna run this and Repetier host. So I'll just use these keys to get this thing, to get the torch itself started on the corner of the plate. And then press start and we're ready to go. And I also decided to cut out essentially a fire grate, if you will, from some 1/4" plate because I need something to be quite a bit more heat resistant if this is what the fire actually sits on top of inside the Chiminia. So I was able to get this tacked up in no time. It required nothing more than a flat surface and a square and just making even a vague effort to get this stuff lined up properly, and I feel like everything went together really well. This was, in my opinion, pretty much a textbook short circuit MIG welding job. Thin material, non-critical welds, really simple, just knocked it out with some short circuit MIG. And from there, what I ended up doing was taking a flap disc on my angle grinder, and I kind of smoothed off these welds, sort of, to maintain as much of a blocky shape as possible for this Chiminia. So I will say that I'm completely thrilled with the way this turned out. I like everything about it. I like the look of it, I like how square it is, and I like how well it works. You know, we got a fire lit up in this thing. It took no time whatsoever, and this thing was roaring. Now, part of that is because anytime you build something like this, you have to be able to get enough air to the fire, and this Chiminia not only gets air through the main entrance, but also up underneath that main 1/4" grate. And so yeah, ultra thrilled with this. I think it's an awesome beginner project. People ask me for suggestions of those all the time. Also something you can sell and make money, but whatever the case, totally thrilled. Thanks for watching. See you next time.